Welcome to another time of wisdom with Taiwo Armstrong Bello. Jeremiah 29:11. God's word says, "The thought that I think towards you is the thought of peace and not evil, to give you a future and an expected end." Now, in the wisdom quote for today, I said, "Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it is their time." As far as you know that God has plans for you, that God has reasons for your existence, you don't need to compare or to compete with anyone. Shine your shine. Let them also shine their shine. Sky is too big for two birds to collide except one is mad. God bless you. Shalom.